on YouTube, just getting a couple things together on this side. Getting my Ninja Trader up. Little personal details, man, like emails, passwords. And Sunday night back testing. I'm going to my playback. I'm doing market replay. Download data from the previous week for the ZB, which is what I trade. I want to see how price trade up into this upcoming week that we're about to have now. So I'm gonna download all this data. I'm gonna look up the news how I would any other session. I'm gonna look up the news and see how price reacts to the news announcements. Mainly only the major news announcements, like red folders. Some stuff that wouldn't affect the stock market, well, would affect the stock market, but wouldn't have a strict impact on the stock market because it's not open yet. For example, news announcements around 8:30. Stock market doesn't open until 9:30, so it doesn't really move. Well, it moved, but you're not in a trade. So, as far as me trading live, the markets for bonds open at 8:20 a.m. I'm sitting down hopefully by 7:30. But like I said, my goal for tonight is watching how price reacts to my Brix levels. Watching how it reacts to my Brix levels around the hourly ends, mostly the 7 to 8 hour, 8 o'clock a.m., 9 o'clock a.m. No, I wouldn't do my 4-hour Brix. So those levels are strong, but when I have a level that overlaps with the 4-hour, 1 hour, and 5-minute, where I set my time frame, or take my trades, that's what I really want to overlap. So I'm going to watch the 4-hour close, and I think I'm going to just download data from the last 2 weeks and watch how price reacts to the 4-hour close. So that every 4 hours, let's just say, let's start at the 2 a.m. The 2 a.m. is the first one. Then we have the 6 a.m. Then the 10 a.m. 2 p.m. So these are 4 times that I want to pay attention to how prices behaving around. At one of my levels, if it's reacting around these times, these would be I don't want to make a bias because I want to see what it does around these levels before I make my bias or make my move. But my guess is that if it closes on one of these sides, then it's going to move in that direction. But that's not okay. Load up. Like I said, I'm gonna be still watching multiple time frames, still marking my levels. And my levels are still already marked from last week, but still watching the time frame, watching my levels. But the main hours that I'm gonna be looking at how price is reacting, I'm gonna put a region, a box around them, so we can see. But the 2 a.m., 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m. These are all times I would be up to. Hopefully not the 2 a.m. though. Usually want to be asleep way before 2 a.m. But 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m. These 3 times, or the 2 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m. are times more likely me getting a trade than at 6 a.m. So these are the 3 levels, the 3 times that I want to look at. We at the 7th. Let's go from the 3rd to the 14th. Yeah, we're gonna load that data up. It will give us 100,000 to play with. But I really even here looking at that. We start off on our daily. These are key levels that prices have been reacting to, and it's above it right now. Ooh, we did not jump up today like this. We're at 22 ticks already? Oh no, this is playback. I was saying, what? Alright, this is from February 3rd. Be thinking I'm live, like, oh, we got not up 22 ticks on a day. This don't even look right. Alright. 5 minute, 4 hour. So we're gonna be switching between the 4 hour. I know it's a lot of levels on here. A lot going on. Third, what's the third? Monday. Alright, so it's gonna be. It's a lot of lines. This 4 hours orange. You don't really gotta pay too much attention to these lines. 4 hours orange. On this chart, I got orange too because it's from the 4 hour and the 60 minute. And where the prices or the lines where you see that they overlap, like confluences are the same, is in red or green. Blue is like newer levels I found that day for the 60 minutes. And orange, like I said, orange is 4 hours, blue is 60. Then I move it to like 5 minute. And the ones that they're the same, you'll see here green, green, green. They were the same, orange. Turn white will be my 60 minute level. And this blue level is like probably for the high for overnight or the low for overnight. So I got it pretty much color coordinated to where I remember and I know what I'm doing, what I'm looking at for the most part. So this is 12 a.m. and we do have a break level here at 144.22, but we got 2 hours before the candle closes. So let's speed this up. I'm not really gonna be looking at it at the 4 hour chart or 60 minute chart because I really want to look at the 5. But we're gonna go to the 4 hour to see a glimpse of what's really going on as far as pattern formation, and it looks like we're trading sideways, but we're a little higher low created right here. So this momentum from this candle could be taking us up another leg, but we'll go back. The next close isn't for another 2 hours. So go back to our 5 minute. Let's fast forward to see what we're looking like around 2. I don't want it to go too far past 2. We got 105. And we're under the bricks. Alright, so it's 204. So we got 1 hit below, 1 above. So it's trading in between 2 bricks. Right. 2, 3, 20, 25 at 2:04 a.m. Price is above one of my bricks. But it closed under. Let me see. It closed under 114.22. It closed and opened under 1. Yeah, it closed below a brick. And it opened. Alright, so close and open below the same one. I want to see how price reacts to this level at 114.22. I'm going to see if we continue to go down, which would be my bias. But like I said, looking at this 4 hour, like we had another leg up. But for the time being, we could be going down further. Well, that's closing below this brick level here. This is the one we're watching. Sheesh. So after a close below 114.22. For 114.22 to 114.07. No, 114.06. Okay. I figured it would continue in the same direction. Traded to 114.07. It was 06. It was 06. Probably got lower, but it traded as low as hit this low down here at 114.06 before our little first fake little pullback. I say it could be going lower. Yeah, 06 was the one. That's cool. We're gonna skip the 6 o'clock one. Well, I didn't skip the 6 o'clock. It's all matter. So let's do the 6 o'clock one. I said I was right though. Price continued. Alright. So we got our 6 a.m. candle. Three 328, 337, 4. Okay. I got to looking at the pattern the last time and missed the 6. I almost fixed it again. Just watching the bars form. See, we're still under this brick now. under, let me look at the 4 hour. And we're under 114.12. Oh god, this is a break. What do it look like? I don't. It's not a break. 114, not one there. Us being under 114.12, we're going to try to assume that it's going in the same direction. That it looks like it's already going, which is down. This being a lower high. So we're going to take it from 113.
Order filled.
So yeah, we're gonna take it down. Lower high, like we got bounced at 106 before. If we don't get through this 106, then it's turning around. But 117, I'm gonna play 117 with a new high. Alright, well, I got price at 114. So 114.10. Under 114.12. Yeah, 114. Yeah, 114.12. 4 hour. 114.12 4 hour level. I mean 4 hour time frame. And we're in a downtrend. My bias is down, trade, entry, target, stop, fill, entry at 6 a.m. at 114.10. Target 114.00. Stop 114.17. I feel, yeah, I get there. Alright, boom, 30 seconds, and it's what, 6 a.m. Might see movement, might not. Oh, we got stopped out. Oh, it is blown. And it's only 7:30. God damn. It got out of hand real fast, didn't it? It stopped us out. It stopped us out early. Like about 40 minutes, then it started moving. It did create a higher low right here. But this level that I was basing it off of wasn't a brick, it was just a 4 hour level. I don't know what this comes from, but it's not on any other time frame. Like I don't see it on my 60-minute or my 4 hour. So I don't remember what this one is or what it's from. So I'm just remove it. Like I said, I could draw lines, support resistance lines. But I really want to see like how price. I know price last week and the week before last traded around these levels. So I'm gonna just keep these levels here and trade these levels. My 5-minute will be getting reset like tomorrow when I trade my account tomorrow. So I'll just start with a little fresh board. But right now, like I said, I just want to see how price reacts around these levels here, 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 here. And from now on, since 6 a.m., I don't like 6 a.m. anyway. Like I said, I don't see myself getting into a trade around 6 a.m. Like I said, I can see myself trading either maybe a 2 a.m. trade, 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. Around these, if price is around these levels, it has to be around these levels. And that's one of my new criteria. It has to be at or around, like close around. Close meaning consolidate. So either consolidate and it has to be around these levels. Trading sideways. Alright, so our next one is what, 10? Post players might gonna jump to 10. So, yeah. 807. See, I already done left on the lower levels. Came back down. And like these times, like the 10 a.m., there'll be news around 10. 2 o'clock is like the end of the Asia session. Then they're coming into London or something like that. I know it's the end of Asia. Or New York doesn't open until 8:20. What is it? Chicago. It's 8:20 Eastern. Alright, so we back. It's 10 a.m. 2, 3. Three, 05, 10 a.m. Prices in between 2 bricks for 114.22, 115. It's above 114 bounce above. It bounced that way. Ooh. I think I'm about to be going long. I don't think I'm going to go long at 10 a.m. But we'll see. It bounced with the wick. And like this is getting rejected off of. Rejected off of the 115 breaks. So between 20, let's just say between 22, it's 30, that's 8, 9, 10. But it's, did it make it 10? Yeah, so getting in closer to the bottom and getting 4 ticks would be an ideal scalp on this 5 minute. But I'm liking the long. I'm just gonna market long. But it's bouncing on this one like that. We gotta get through this 15. And I'm not basing these trades off anything other than these lines and the direction I see what the market may be. And 19 new low. Let's just say we got something back here. Nope. Alright, let's say my bias is bullish. My trade, my entry is 14.25. I would have wanted it better. No, that's what, only 3 ticks away from 22. That's not bad. That's front running. 14.25. Target is 115.04. My stop is 114.19. I feel looking at 10 a.m. Again, I don't know what news is going on. Some announced at 10, 10:30. The way that it bounced at this, 10:07. Dang, they got through that quick. 114 to 115 to 4. Sheesh. Price to up. Guess this is a reaction I want to see at my Brix because it got momentum from this level. It went up. If we're higher lows present, this was the higher low. Check out on 25. This was the higher low too. I took it up. That's what, 10 a.m. I like 10 a.m. And what's next? 2? I don't see myself trading on 2 p.m. Real for real. You can go look at 2 p.m. though. I feel like that's when the market's really slowing down. And it's just kept going. Alright. That had to be news. 10:30. You don't see us going back to them highs. I got by 2 o'clock. I got price trading in the same range. I'm gonna just look at it. I'm not about to place no 2 o'clock trade. But after February 3rd over, we're gonna go to February 4th. We're gonna look at the 2 a.m. and we're gonna look at the 10 a.m. So we already narrowed it down now. So it's around 2. We're under break. We're not even buying in between the level. So I won't stress it. So I narrowed it down to, I'm gonna look at the 2 a.m. and the 10 a.m. and see what's going on. So I'm fast forward the rest of this day. So there would be like the 6 p.m., the 10 p.m., but I'm not going to that's the 6 p.m. and the 10 p.m.s. I gotta narrow down to my 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. But price can't move at those times too. 6 p.m. is when the market's opening. 10 p.m. is like halfway through. I mean, not halfway through, but the session's really just getting warmed up. So we're around the break coming to this 10 p.m. So I just want to see what it looks like since I'm here. But it's consolidating right now. What size it gonna close on? Oh, so we're bad break too. Above and below. So now we close below. Now approaching this 2 p.m. Not 2 p.m. This 2 a.m. candle. It's 2 p.m. a.m. This 2 a.m. candle or reaction. Ooh, no, early. So now we above this break. What I want to see over 2 is us staying above here. So now we're under it and it's like rejecting it. So I'm gonna take it down to here. Let me see. This is February 4th, 2025. Yeah, I'm gonna go short. Let me see. The sale market. And about 2 ticks above there. I'm gonna take it down. 18, so that's about 11. Reaching 7. To get 11. It's a little over 101. But February 4th, 2 a.m. Price is consolidating. It's moving sideways under the break. Being rejected. Being rejected multiple times on the 5-minute, but if we go to our 4-hour, if we close under or above and 13.29 and 14. And 13.29. Price. Brix side 114. I'm about to delete all my bricks too, make some new ones. And 13, 17. I'm gonna look at it. I'm not gonna look at any. I guess we'll look at my technical components that I have, but I'm gonna go that we're gonna stay under this brick. Let's see how much short trade entry. What was it? 209 a.m. Target. Actually, was 113.29. Target is 113.18. Stop is 114.02. And let's see where I get filled in at. This is 1:06 a.m. First play workout yet. Coming in at 7:30. We got close. I say about 8. What was our target? 18. Yeah, 8:10. Let's see, 8 o'clock. 1:13:18. Price, well, that's what we wanted to see. It took from 209 and it was close to hitting our stop. It's from 209, that's 6-hour trade. Sheesh. And that ain't what I'm gonna be standing up for. That's what I'm just set the trade and dip. But where is it at? It was 11 ticks, 6 hours. Price. The price continued downward, man. So we got 2 a.m. and 10 a.m. So let's just keep going. We're close to 10. All right, 10 a.m. 2, 4, 25, 10 a.m. 10:02 a.m. Price is above now. Our 114 brick level. Trading at 114.04. I think it closed above. Let me see. It opened, but it looks like we're going in the upward direction. Looking at this floor. I keep doing that. Looking at this, yeah, it looks like we're moving up. So based off of that, and this, I want to get in. I'm gonna get into a market. I was gonna get into a limit. 0.02 with double O. But let's see if we can get back up to here. First stop loss being 2 ticks below our bricks. Trading at 1. Alright, let me finish writing. Price is above 114 brick level today, trading at 114. Level 4. It left brick level with momentum. Also 4-hour short confluence. So we're about to shoot up. Let's see, I got a trade. Entry 114, 05. I think they're gonna be at 05. They did. I don't want to be at no 114, 05. 114, 05. Until I get 114, 22. That's your reach. I don't even see like how. I'm just really basing it off of just a little bit of stuff that's right for me. That's not enough for me to even think this long of a move. Only because I guess it's lined up with my 4-hour chart. So let's see. I got focus at 10:02 a.m. Let's see. Because it might take all week to get there. It might take a minute. I might not get there. That's just my bias based off of what's here, based off how price reacted right here on this 4-hour close. You get below it, so be it. Usually I will want to get an inch or closer. $13.6 before it turned around. $13.6 again before it turned around. 14, 17. Oh, it done touched the target but didn't fill us before it turned around. Alright, well, 224. Let's say 224. 114. 22. It's about 17 ticks. In a little over 4 hours. Yeah, price fluctuated. Ultimately, this ones are for my larger moves. I want to do a 60-minute too, but I'm not going to do 60-minute today. I'll probably do 60-minute Wednesday. Yeah, I'll probably do 60-minute Wednesday and see how price reacts to that one. For an hour, I'll pick like a couple hours out the day. But the hours that I'm live on the trade right now, based off the more predictability, or 2 a.m. and 10 a.m. I see myself more 10 a.m. trades than 2 a.m. And this is not even me like sitting and trading. This is me, like I said, placing a trade. At 2 a.m. I might place a trade and go to sleep and wake up and see what happens. Or at 10 a.m. I'll have to place a trade and just come back later on that day and check on it or whatever. Because these longer trades, they're for longer gains, like the one was 11, 17, I can't remember the first one. I don't think I wrote it down either, but these are longer gains, so longer tick moves, so it takes more time to get it. And this is from a couple trades, like 2 trades. So also, I'm gonna have to line this up with, was there news announcement? Is there anything that could affect it? I have other conflicts like my volume chart, the time sales, or it could be coming through on the dumb over here. So it's a lot of different factors that will, well, not a lot, but it's only a few more factors that will go into me deciding whether to go long or short on the play, so up or down. But basically, I'm respecting my brick levels, and these are the colored levels that you see here. And it's been more consistent for me. During this backtesting session, it's been more consistent for me between the 10 a.m. hours and the 2 a.m. hours. And this is where I had the longer moves too. But man, yeah, that concludes this backtesting session for tonight. I'm back to live trading tomorrow. I don't know if I'm trading live my value it. Nah, I'll start a new series the week after next as far as evaluations. I'm trading an evaluation, but I'm trading a live account right now as well. I did get funded with Earn a Trade. I finally funded with Earn a Trade. Again, video is coming out this week, so we'll be editing that up and getting that out. But yeah, just looking forward to this upcoming week and seeing what's in store. Basically, just fine tuning the playbook, and the goal is to take less trades. So I started off from sitting in front of the computer trading 8 hours a day to now trying to trade 3 times or less in a day. So I mean, I'm just happy with the growth, and I'm seeing the growth, and most of it's coming with patience and having a great support system. Because this road has been rocky up and down, but like this year is feeling great. So, man, thanks for tuning in, and